In this video, I'm going to discuss why you should never let your business insurance cancel. So let's get straight into it. So insurance is a critical part of your business, but likely it's something that you don't think about on the daily. If you work in certain industries like independent contractors, it's easy to forget to keep your business insurance up to date. You may have obtained some insurance to meet a new requirement for a new gig or job, and then you've gotten into the habit of allowing your business insurance to cancel in between gigs, something I would never recommend you doing. So if you're tempted to let your business insurance cancel, here are some key reasons to consider why it's important to keep your business insurance up to date. First and foremost, thieves strike when most vulnerable. Now you need your vital office equipment, tools, inventory, things of that nature to run your business, and having business insurance will ensure that you're protected if a thief slips in and takes your vital office equipment that you need to run your business. Next is you cannot predict natural disasters. You may have chosen a sturdy building to launch your business and run it out of, but you can't predict a natural disaster like a flood or a fire, and you don't want to be left hanging in the middle of disaster knowing that you've lost everything. Next is you're not perfect. Now you may not meet a customer's expectation, or you may give a claim to a benefit that turns out to be completely false. Having business insurance will protect you if you have a claim or lawsuit made against you for a mishap or a mistake, which could completely devastate and bring a lot of repercussions on your business. Next is your employees aren't perfect. So whether it's an employee running their mouth about a competitor that leads you to a defamation suit, or an employee that's slipping items out of the back of your warehouse and then selling them online, having employees make some mistakes could cost your business a lot of finances and cost you a lot of money out of pocket. Next is you're responsible for your employees. So if your employee gets hurt on the job or your employee hurts somebody else while on the job, you're going to be liable. So you want to make sure that you have insurance in place for that event. Next is customers are super unpredictable. Whether it's a customer who slips on a spill that nobody noticed, or customers have no problem walking past a wet floor sign without even thinking about it. So you don't want to be left off the hook if one of your customers is hurt on your property. You don't want to be left facing that without liability insurance. Next is people besides you drive vehicles for company use. So you don't know whether your employees have insurance or not at any given time. So if your employees are, let's say, running errands and using their own vehicles for company use, and they get into an accident, you may be liable. So you want to make sure that you add some sort of hired and non-owned auto to your business insurance, and then let them know what kind of exposures is involved. So if you allow your business insurance to cancel, you're going to be left vulnerable if a disaster or something bad happens. If a lot of carriers will allow you to resume coverage if you make a late payment, but not a lot of carriers will cover you if something bad already happens. So you want to make sure that you keep your business insurance up to date. And if you're interested in looking into some new business insurance companies, or you're finding out the importance of business insurance for the first time, feel free to reach out to me directly by phone, 858-277-1585, or you could visit our website below, fill out a quick form, and we will be in contact with you to find a coverage that's specific for you and your business. Thank you so much for your interest, and hope to talk with you soon.